We're gonna use some boneless chicken, small pieces, Schezwan sauce, butter, red wine vinegar, cilantro, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, tomato ketchup, corn flour, eggs, lemon, Kashmiri red chilli, garlic ginger paste, degi mirch, brown sugar, white flour. So we're going to marinate the chicken first. We're adding red wine vinegar, then some soya sauce, Schezwan sauce almost 2 tablespoons, ginger garlic paste, and some salt, cornstarch. After that, we're gonna mix it well together. Then white flour, mix it well again. After that, we're gonna add 1 egg, mix it well, and set aside for at least 20 minutes. In a hot pan, we're going to add butter and sesame oil. Right after that, adding the marinated chicken to the pan, and we're gonna let it cook for at least 5-6 minutes on medium to slow. Once it's done, we're gonna take out the chicken to the same plate. In the same pan, let's saute the red chilli for at least 1 minute. Now we're gonna add sesame oil and butter. After that, ginger garlic paste, and we're gonna saute for 1 minute. After that, we're gonna add red wine vinegar, then soy sauce, then Schezwan sauce. After that, tomato ketchup. Mix it well together. Then we're gonna add paprika, brown sugar, and a cup of warm water, and some salt. After that, we're gonna put the lid on and bring it boil. Once it starts boiling, we're gonna reduce the flame to slow and let it simmer for at least 3 minutes. Then adding chili pepper and paprika, and give it a good stir. After that, we're gonna add cornstarch slurry. Make sure mix it well. Then after that, we're gonna add roasted red chili, some lemon juice at the end, roasted chicken. Mix it well and let it simmer for at least 2 minutes, then turn off the heat. Add some cilantro. After that, it's gonna be ready for serve.